Going on, guys? So I got a little bit of motivation and I decided I want to finish the Checkmate tonight. It's about 8 at night right now, and I gotta take the Donzi out of the way, and I want to put the Checkmate here in front of my garage. I have to put on the gas tank and I gotta put in the interior and some little stuff, but I want to finish it already, guys, so let's do it. Alright guys, it's 11:45 and there she is, interior's in. Sneak peek. Cowling's on. Nice. I'm just missing to put my iPad mount there. I'm gonna polish this. I'm gonna wet sand and polish the dash tomorrow. But gas tank's in. She's ready to get topped off and do 75 miles an hour. So like I said earlier, guys, I don't know how this video played out, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to drop a like if you liked it. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of my Checkmate. If you're already subscribed, thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one when she's doing 75. Peace.